Hi, my name is Dr. Ian Schuman. I have a general reconstructive and aesthetic dental practice full-time here in Pasadena, Maryland. Here are some tips and tricks to help you make the process of relining your denture with SOFRELINER TOUGH much easier and simpler. Here's a tip and trick for the curing process. Here we're placing the complete upper denture reline in the patient's mouth. It's important to seat it from the soft palate up toward the anterior. That way the material isn't expressed outward through the back of the denture, but rather through the front, avoiding the patient having unnecessary material going down their throat or causing them to choke. In addition, we want to border mold the denture in order to capture the proper anatomy that will allow the patient to function well. Another important thing to remember is that the material requires a 5-minute setting time intraorally. Here we're delivering the lower denture intraorally by placing it against the ridge and applying some pressure, but most of the pressure that's going to be applied is from the patient's occlusion itself. The lower denture will be allowed to set intraorally for the recommended 5-minute setting time. Those are my tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully in the future, you'll be a Tokiyama SOFRELINER user as well.